Hey there, tech lover Abdullah here, and today we have got some hot news. Buckle up because we are diving into the latest on the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. So the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro expected to be the cream of the Android crop in 2023, but hold on your seats because Google's been keeping tight-lipped about them. We have got a date marked on your calendars, October 4th. That's when the Google hosting their Made by Google event. We will get finally juicy details about the Pixel 8 lineup and even the Pixel Watch 2. Comes to design, rumor has it that these phones are getting a sleek makeover, especially the Pixel 8 Pro, which is likely to rock a flat display. But here is a kicker: the Pixel 8 might be the smaller than its predecessor, featuring a round corners and a smooth 120Hz display, while the Pixel 8 Pro could come with a built-in thermometer and a brand new camera setup. Now feast your eyes on these renders. Yep, they look pretty similar to the previous Pixel, right? You have got the distinctive camera bar and the elegant porcelain color, and wait for it, the new thermostat feature. Cool, right? Let's talk sizes. The Pixel 8 is downsizing, smaller than the Pixel 7 indeed. The screen is also a tad smaller at a 6.1 inches but still packs a punch. Now here is a twist. These renders, they don't show a SIM card tray, but before you panic, it's not clear whether Google plans to go SIM-less like Apple. We might see eSIM taking the spotlight, but physical SIMs are not saying goodbye yet. Notice those curved screen corners, they look more like Galaxy S23 Plus than the squared of the S23 Ultra. Word on the street is Google doubling down those curves. Oh, and bright screens up to 1400 nits and 1600 nits for HDR content. Plus, the Pixel 8 might sport a silky smooth 120Hz display. Cameras, anyone? You can talk Pixel about talking about the cameras. Google stepping up its games with a complete camera overall. Get ready for a 50 megapixel Samsung GN2 main sensor, a 64 megapixel ultra wide and 58 megapixel telephoto, plus there is a handy time off-light sensor and a microphone and even a thermometer in there. Under the hood, we have got a potential game changer. The Google Tensor G3 is in the works. Samsung Exynos 2300 processor. If it's true, we are talking improved efficiency and performance, and for the Pro model, expect 12 GB of RAM, spotted in prototype leaks. Storage wise, Google's playing it safe. The Google Pixel 8 could have 128 to 256 GB, while the Pixel 8 Pro might offer 128 GB, 256 GB, or a whopping 512 GB. But let's be honest, Google might want to take a page from Samsung books in this department. But how about security? Both phones in Pixel 8 lineup could support a ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It's not as fast as Samsung's, but it's an upgrade from the Pixel 7 optical sensor. And guess what? These might be the first phones to ship with the Android 14. Google has been releasing it the latest Android upgrades between the August and the October each year. So chances are these Pixel will rock the fresh Android 14. But what about the important price? Here is a deal. Google pricing strategy has been its secret weapon. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 offer top-notch value, but we can't be sure if the trend will continue. The Pixel 7a already cost $50 more than the 6a. So there you have it, the latest on the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. These phones might be a bit of mystery, but the tech world's buzzing with the anticipation. Want to stay in a loop on all things tech? Subscribe to my channel Abdullah Tech Guide for the latest phone, cameras and tech reviews. Hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.